stand up. Nana, hold the ears. Nana will hold the ears. You want to stand up?
Here comes the soap, Daniel.
Here comes the soap.
Here comes the soap.
I got your ears.
Here comes the soap, Daniel. Here it comes all the way around the car, the soap. It's all on the car. Where's Daniel? Let me get Daniel's face.
Here he is.
Where are you, Daniel? Can I see your face? Hi, Daniel. Okay, here. It's coming around. Can you see it coming around, Daniel?
Wait, Grandpa.
Where's Daniel? Can you give me his face? Where's Daniel's face? There he is.
He's coming.
Whoa, here he comes. There's more.
Oh, what is over there? See? Okay. Now let's wait
What
for
what comes next, Daniel?
Okay, let's wait
The
for it.
fire hose water, yes. Here comes the water. We gotta wait for the soap to get all the dirt. Then it's gonna start soon. Are you ready?
Not yet, Grandpa. Bring it down a little lower. Yeah, that's good.
Here comes the water. Whoa, look at that water. Whoa. Here comes the water, Daniel. Wow. Wow. What's next, Daniel?
The dryer.
Yes, it is. Let's go through the dryer. Whoa. Whoa, we just got to go through the dryer and that's it.